Yeah, it's a little dark in here right now, but let me go ahead and hit you with that Vice Wave action for my 305 fans. Let's see. God damn it. Edit that. My fucking mother-in-law hit the switch.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Small Palm back with another video upon your head top. Hey, right now I am taking a trip. I just got a rental car, got the keys, a little Chevy Equinox. I'm going to head to Tampa, Florida. Leaving the crib. Yeah, I'll see y'all there. Now the good thing about this car, it has a vlogging zone. Look at that. I'm probably not gonna vlog the whole trip, but I should arrive around 5 o'clock. 3 hours, 35 minutes, 262 miles. Call it 4 hours, all right? Hopefully there's no traffic. I will see y'all in Tampa. Boom, trip update. I am in what's known as Alligator Alley. So if you've never driven in Florida, this is the alligator state. And along Alligator Alley, there's alligators on the side of the roads. You have swamps and everything. Let me turn it around. Not specifically this part, but you have swamplands over there, swamplands over there, and I have broken down way back in the day. Way back in the day, I have broken down an alligator alley. I was not driving at the time. I was a little young pound, tiny pound at the time, and it was raining, storming. Alligators were up on the banks. It was crazy, but yeah, just an update. Cutting across Florida, and then I'm gonna go up. All right, finally pulled up. Well, I'm not at my friend's house yet, but I'm in Tampa. I'm gonna stop by the wine store because you know you can't go anywhere empty-handed. Probably get a couple of bottles of wine, some beer, whoop, and then start the festivities. All right, so I'm looking for some sweet red wines. They consolidated all of the sweet reds right here. That's what I'm talking about. It doesn't get any better than that. I don't know. Alright, so I got these two. Hopefully they're good. Looking for some beer right now. Fat Tire, we was drinking that a lot in Georgia. Alright, back in the car. Just got the goodies. Hand sanitizer on deck. Stay clean before you start touching everything in the car, you know. Oh, copyright. All right, boom, I made it up.
There you go.
All right, we're gonna be drinking some. You put it on ice? You put the other?
No, that's right. I put your thing in there.
All right.
And then, so yeah.
Bam. He said this is man's tequila.
Yeah.
We're about to find out. What's the percent?
That is from the Rock himself.
40%. That's the Rock?
Yep.
Okay.
Terramana tequila.
And just so y'all know where we are. House of Love.
That's it. That's it.
And wait till you see upstairs, because that's the crazy part. He really showed out. I haven't been here. When was the last time I heard? 2018?
Yeah.
2018?
Yes, when we bought it, it was we've had it for about maybe 5 months.
2018. The house is completely different, coming together. It is crazy.
Yeah. Real quick shot here.
Sir, trying to kill me, but you know,
it's ice cold, man. Salute.
Kong Pai.
That's ice water, ain't it? Ice water.
Oh. So y'all can actually see.
Mm-hmm.
This is the smoothest tequila I have ever drank in my life.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I'm gonna drink it again because that is deceptively smooth. That's how smooth it is. It's deceptive.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Huh? Yeah, exactly. That right there, watch. That'll creep up soon. It's gonna hit me. Alright, I'm about to go pick up some food. What's up, autofocus? Yeah? Yeah, when I come back. Outfitted, ready to go. So boom.
White chocolate. 2006.
Boom. You see the boom, the koozie. What you got? Oh, you ain't got it.
Oh, I got shout out to the Tampa Bay Lightning. Stanley Cup Finals right now, game 1. Let's get it.
Because we got a bunch of games going on right now. You already know what time it is. The only game that matters, Eastern Conference Finals on the way. Eastern Conference Final champ on the way. We over here. We got this beer.
And it's Pickers.
We got Kuty. This beer. That's 8.7%.
This is 7.5. This is a Tampa Bay Select Cigar City Brew.
You know, introducing me to the cuisine. Simultaneously, we have in the Yeti cup the sangria. And you know we've been taking shots of
the very smooth Terramana tequila. Shout out to Dwayne Johnson for creating such a smooth and delicious ice cold tequila.
Extremely smooth. It's ridiculously smooth. And then we have cheesecake. And we just have barbecue. Stace.
About 9 burgers.
What did you just bring out? She just brought out 18 bottles of vodka.
No.
18 bottles of
I have my Pickers and my Deep Eddies distilled 10 and 11 times.
And
then we got more cheesecake.
More cheesecake right here. You know.
We got vodka and cheesecake. Can't go wrong.
I love it.
Don't ask
This
where
is
the kids are.
reunion. There's kids here?
Good thing they're upstairs.
Are there's kids? Oh, I was about to say, there's kids here?
He is like, I'm not going to show my face.
By me. Hey, not gonna lie. Might have to wake up somehow and drive home, but it's gonna happen. But you see, game tonight. Matter of fact, game tonight. What time is it? Game in 6 minutes ago.
I will go. I'm flashing back. I ain't got no choice.
It's 1-1 hockey. We got one.
Stanley Cup. See,
Oh, it's the Stanley Cup?
Lightning. It's
Okay.
the Stanley Cup.
Okay, well that's the championship.
Our team is in the championship, right?
So we're gonna have Stanley Cup down here. We're gonna go upstairs. I gotta show you upstairs. I have to show you upstairs. Stay tuned.
Tito's.
Say, am I in the shot? We're in the shot. The shot is live.
Now my mom's drinking this.
What is that?
It's
What are we
grapefruit
drinking, bro?
Yeah.
That right there is the proper number 12 Irish whiskey, and this is a bicep.
So Tito's
Sir, Irish
replaced it
whiskey.
with Deep Eddy.
Look, we got. I don't even know what we've been drinking.
All it is
We
is
got-
just distilled
Hey,
more
that is
and
real
it's
smooth.
smoother. Mom's
delicious.
never had a headache from it.
We got never had a headache from
Never
vodka.
had a headache from Deep Eddy.
I stopped drinking vodka when I
And
lived in
this
Germany,
is my official authorization.
and that was it.
So I should get some kind of
In the barn
In the bond. Oh, in
and
Germany.
get bottles of vodka.
Yeah, that was the best. That was the best.
Ooh.
Just look.
You just virtually made the vlog.
Let me know. If
Hold on, wait. You virtually made the vlog.
Show the vlog what's up real quick.
What's up? What are you doing?
It's gonna be smooth. It's ice
I
cold.
don't
You know.
think there's a way it could be.
It's ice cold.
The Titos.
He doesn't drink
Titos.
whiskey.
No, look at his face.
She's Mexican, so she loves Titos.
Hip, hip, hip.
Oh, Tito.
Oh, Titos. Oh, you taking a shot?
Oh, Tito's.
There you
Okay.
go. There you go.
Okay. What is this?
That's the Irish. That's
That's
the proper
the
number
Irish.
12.
Irish number 12. And then I got the.
Number 12.
I don't even know what I got. I got a
got
mixed
the
pack.
pale ale.
I got a mixed pack of pale ale. That's it.
Hell, hell.
I'm gonna try this number 12.
Tell me how I get my daughter these shoes. They were on sale. And I didn't want them to be too
Delicious.
small.
The fire burn.
Exactly.
Ordering size.
To the fire burn. Way oi.
Sure shoes. She'll
Say
like grow into
slancha.
them in like
That's
5
it.
years.
All right, so boom, winery,
Winery.
kitchenery, and then we're gonna see the. What are you doing?
I'm just folding this.
All right, so look, I'm in the office. Boom, boom. You know this is her office when you see that in the corner, the Chiefs. When you see the Chiefs in the corner, you know it's hers.
And I have my
What is it?
Mahomes Magic Crunch.
Mahomes. Who's Mahomes?
He is only the MVP slash
As you can
quarterback
see,
winner of the Super Bowl.
Of the entire Super Bowl of last year. Oh, you know what? They didn't see this. They didn't see this.
This is my
That
area.
right there, Mahomes special.
Limited edition.
When it comes to Mahomes, when it comes to the Chiefs,
He's my
she
guy.
doesn't play.
They're my
When it
team.
comes to Mahomes, she does not play.
Nope.
So when when you want to speak negatively about the Chiefs,
Why would you?
You got me on film right now?
I got
Yo,
you.
MTV, welcome to my crib.
it's an MTV. Welcome to my crib
We getting ready to come up here.
with the J Will
Yes, sir. White chocolate, 2006.
white chocolate, one of the best point guards ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little dark in here right now, but let me go ahead and hit you with that Vice Wave action for my 305 fans. Let's see. God damn it. Edit that. My fucking mother-in-law hit the switch.
I could.
Cut. Booyah. That might be still a little dark for you.
No, that's
But maybe
nice.
you want the Vice Wave blue. I don't know. Oh.
That's nice.
Or we could set it for sunset. Let's see what happens here in the sunset. Oh. Or we could go my classic, the black and red. Let's keep it going. Absolutely, absolutely.
Let's
We'll fire
go.
cannons for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. You know, we have
Let's go.
Exactly. So,
I like it.
and then we go cream. It all depends, throwbacks.
Let's keep it cream, and then we'll go Miami Vice on the way out.
All right, that sounds good. So, that right there is a picture of my father, Bernard Carl Gerber. He played soccer for the Marines, but right there, that was when he was in high school. Apparently, he was a big deal.
Nice.
So me, I grew up as a Texan. So shout out to the Lone Star State.
Big Texan.
Absolutely. And then we come over here. We got the Tampa Bay Lightning, who are in the Stanley Cup Finals. And then this was my first trip to the world's largest outdoor cocktail party. Shout out to Chris Taylor and Terrell Davis, Georgia Bulldogs.
What's that on the wall? What's
this right
next
here?
to it? What is that?
Oh, this right here, this is me being a big kid. Shout out to Star Wars Galaxy Edge.
Star Wars. Oh,
Absolutely. It will cut you.
wave it. Oh,
Shit, you don't want that smoke. Any burglar coming here, get their ass. You imagine it being like here, look, it's pitch black, right?
Yeah.
And then all of a
Wow.
sudden,
What,
hold up.
you just make.
You break in, smoke. You come in here if you want to. Come in here if you want
Wow.
to. Yes, sir.
Wow. You just made it pitch black too. That was
So,
tight.
yeah, this is the crib. This is the lounge. This is how we get down.
Dang.
The Pele.
So look, if y'all don't know what this is,
This right here is the Pele soccer jersey.
If
from the
y'all don't know what
Santos
this is-
Football Club.
this, yeah, Pele, and then right in this area, I don't know if y'all can see, there is a hair follicle right there. That is from Pele himself.
Mm-hmm.
Pele himself, and then boom.
Yeah, here we are. We got our Braves country. We got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Mm-hmm.
And then you come over here. It all depends who wants it. I
You
got
already
one.
know.
I got two
You already know.
all day long.
Who wants to smoke?
Pound for pound. Shout out to the NWO. Kevin Nash.
Who wants to smoke?
Scott Hall.
We got the
Hollywood
smoke.
Hulk Hogan. AJ Styles. Hulk Hogan again. Kevin Owens.
Whoever
It's all
wants to
here.
smoke, we got it, man.
Yep.
That's nice.
Exactly. Got the WrestleMania belt that was supposed to be down here in Tampa, but it didn't happen because of COVID. Go along with the WrestleMania chair.
But it will still come back. And these chairs, they recline fully, fold back, and this is it. You already know we got the big screen TV, and a key that you have to notice is that you cannot see the cables. coming from the TV. You cannot see the cables. Like, it doesn't matter how many cables come in from the TV right now, or the speaker, or any type of entertainment. You cannot see it.
That's it. Everything floats out here.
That is a big, big, big factor.
And with that, we bid you a may Miami Vice good night.
And that's it. Look at the lights.